My girlfriend doesn't like the way the vanity looks in the bathroom. I will show you in a minute. And so I'm going to be installing this LED vanity light. Still got the tape on it. I got this from my sister's store. You can go to the store. It's on Facebook, MEZSTORE. That's Mez Store. So this is the mounting. In order to mount it on the wall, you gotta put screws right here. So you gotta take off the bracket. So there's 3 screws on the top, 3 on the bottom. It's gonna be your power and ground. It's gonna be it's your power right here, and this is gonna be a ground. And then you can take this off right here, and then what you're gonna do is put your screws in here, then put this on last, and after you put your wires and stuff. First thing you want to do is probably cut off the power to the bathroom there and the lights in the house. So now we have no lights, but I got this little headset right here you put on your head, and we got all our tools that we're gonna need. Probably just some maybe some pliers, some tin snips, wire cutters. This will test for power. And then of course you need a screwdriver. I got a 10mm on a swivel. Alright, so let's go to the bathroom and we'll get started. So we are in the bathroom, and as you can see, we don't have power. So this is why she doesn't want this in here, because it's kind of rusted here, and she just doesn't like the aesthetics. So oh yeah, and there's our little drawings. Guess who did which one? Yeah, if you guessed that I did that one, you're correct. It was supposed to be the Howie the coward dog or something like that, but I turned him into like some kind of dinosaur, tiger, rabbit animal. Anyway, so there's 2 10mm bolts holding it on. So first thing we're gonna do, take these 2 10s out, and then we're gonna unscrew these bulbs. And to get this off, you just take these 2 10s off, and this will come out. So we're gonna do that right now. So I was able to take, those are actually 8mm. I took them out by hand. And then when you drop this down, then that black one and this white and that white, that black and that black was connected. I just unscrewed the little butt connectors on there. And as you see, it's very rusty. Also, I put something in to the drain, because if anything falls down there, it's not going to be fun getting it out. Now this is probably held in. We're gonna have to take off this Phillips, that Phillips, and that's probably gonna be an 8mm there. So let's take off that bolt, these 2, and then when you reconnect, you're just gonna hook up your black to your black, white to your white, and I believe that's gonna be your ground. So actually it was just the 2 screws right there, so I didn't have to take those out. So just took these 2 screws out and pulled off the bracket. So next thing we're gonna do, just stick this guy up here, and then we can actually use the 2 same screws, I think. Yeah, we can just use the same. So I'm putting 2 screws in there, and we'll be good to go. And then I could put the new one on. And so basically, I just came and connected the white to the white, the black to the black, and then the ground wire. And then before I button it all down, I'm gonna give it a try. Make sure it comes back on. It's got these little secondary lights here too. Also has a switch over here. Oh, is that a? It's got a secondary, I think it's a dimmer on the side. Anyway, okay, cool. So anyways, I'm gonna button it all back up. So, bam, nice, new, and shiny LED bathroom lights. So, love you, Onyx. Hope you like it. That's how you do vanities. Replace the vanities in your bathroom real quick and easy, nice and simple. Hope you liked the video. Peace.